Welcome to Dawn of Cooking, and in this week's video we're going to be making some amazing avocado toast that you can prepare for your next party. So let's get started on today's video. In my Pyrex dish, I'm going to go ahead and put together all the ingredients for the Caprese avocado toast so it can marinate a little bit, and that way it's super easy to put together ahead of time. This is the Caprese. This one is called the greens. It's basil, mint, and greens. Black pepper. Another really great topping for avocado toast is a strawberry and mint, and what I like using are some of these kind of sweet vinegars. So I get mine from oil and vinegar, but I know there's a lot of different vinegar stores that you can go to or order from. So anyway, that's what I would recommend. I have a whole bunch of different flavors like the passion fruit and the cranberry. My favorite is the cherry almond cream. Anyway, any of these kind of sweet, balsamic even, sweet vinegars are perfect. The strawberry. Some sweet vinegar. This next avocado toast topping is my husband's favorite, and it's like a Mexican corn topping elote. Like you get street corn with a crema sauce that you put on top. So let me show you a few things that you do to get ready to make that one to put on your avocado toast. I'm just gonna saute a little bit of corn in the olive oil, and we're gonna get it a little bit charred. Some salt, some pepper, and some chili powder. When it's a little bit charred, just go ahead and add in some lime juice, fresh lime juice, and do it to taste. Mexican street corn avocado toast. Bacon and egg. This is with pickles. This one is the mango. I call this one the Nutty. Another really great topping for avocado toast is some toasted seeds, and I've got pumpkin and sunflower. Just stir them carefully so they do not burn.